Here's the bathroom I just finished. We got schluter rondec on the corner there. Penny round tile for the floor. Chair rail on top. It's all 3x12 subway ceramic. We got white engineered stone on the knee wall right here. All the layout was done by me. The soffit also has the schluter rondec on the corners. We have the crown molding up there. It's not painted yet. More chair rail, which is also ceramic, on top. We have the niche here. It was a pre-engineered niche, centered with the schluter rondec. Shower also penny round. All the floors and all the shower is done in epoxy. It's the most durable and easiest to clean grout there is. The floors are radiant floors, so they're heated. I made this piece right here on the edge. You can barely see the chair rail right there. It goes from schluter up to bullnose. And there's a light in there. There's two lights above the vanity, two sconces that go over there. But my work is done, so everything else will be finished by someone else. But I did everything to this point: drywall, flooring, tile, obviously.